Tonight, we're getting a look at a new facility to help astronauts get ready to return to the moon and eventually travel to Mars.
The high-tech facility near Space Center Houston will simulate conditions on both surfaces. And guess what? You'll be able to watch the astronauts in action. Janelle Bluda shows us how.
Well, the sad reality is most people here on Earth will never know what it's like to walk on the moon or Mars, but a new facility near NASA might get you closer than you ever imagined.
And liftoff of Artemis 1.
NASA is no stranger to setting lofty goals, and now they're working on some new ones. Under its new Artemis program, NASA is hoping to first establish a long-term presence on the moon, and second, eventually send humans to Mars. Literally to boldly go where no man has gone before.
It takes about 3 days to get to the moon and 3 days to get back if something goes awry. In the case of Mars, as you learn in this exhibit, with current technology, it takes about 8 months to get there.
But before that happens, a lot needs to be learned, and that classroom will be one our planet has never seen before.
So we have to be really well prepared and be able to anticipate all the challenges that humans may encounter, as many as we can.
Dubbed the Lunar Mars Facility, 12 acres near Space Center Houston will soon house a new training site, and 5 of those acres will be from outer space. Half will replicate the surface of the moon, while the other half will simulate the surface of Mars.
And test spacesuits and rovers and tools and things that are going to be needed to enable the success of those missions.
Of course, being on Earth, there's only so much you can simulate, but they'll try to recreate everything from the soil to the gravity.
So you could create like 1/6 gravity of the moon or 3/8 gravity of the planet Mars.
And unfortunately, it's mostly for research, but while you may not be able to walk on the moon or Mars, you can watch the astronauts from above.
And large windows so that you can look down and actually see and understand the research that's happening.
The facility will also have over 100 research labs and dedicated STEM learning centers, hoping to not only educate, but to inspire.
As we're doing everything we can to motivate youth to learn in general in life and try to encourage them to pursue a STEM pathway career.
Space Center Houston hopes to break ground on the facility by this summer and hopes to open it by December of 2024. Back to you.
Looking forward to it. Thank you, Janelle.